Welcome to 100 Days in Slime Rancher. A pretty simple game where you can farm slimes, bully them, or even make a giant army out of them. The whole premise of the game is to feed slimes and then sell their poop for gold. You can also feed big slimes until they pop, and when they pop, a bunch of resources come out. Our main three goals are to complete the Rewards Club, unlock all ranch expansions, and fully automate our ranch. Without much say, let's hop straight into day one.
Alright. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Range, somebody begins her first day as a slime rancher. How do you... Beatrix? Okay. Is Beatrix something? Yay, we're in, guys. I gotta change some options. It's like really loud. Here we got two. Wait, what is that? Gold. We got 278 gold. Wait, we have mail? Oh yeah, top left it says we have mail. Hold up. Wait, what if I start like a... I'm gonna start like a pink slime like army, bro. I'm gonna start a pink slime army. A pink slime army, that's what we're doing. You eat that. Oh, wait, what's this? Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobbleson something. Rancher explorer and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and felt like there was one last adventure left in me. So I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for more notes like more notes like these. Holy, I gotta work on my English. If you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. H. Alright, Hobbleson. Hobbleson? And Hobble. He's Hobble now. Alright, yep, I'm calling him Hobble. Don't care. There's more. Oh, there's more. Yo, who is Casey?
Most of day one was mainly me getting the hang of the game again, but I did get some more Rocky Boys.
I need another blue thing. I need one gold blue. Hey, eat. We will sleep till morning. It's day 2!
Days 2 to 3 were quite dull, with mainly me just doing chores relating to feeding the slime, selling the poop. However, I did make a farm to grow that berry I got earlier.
I'm gonna go feed this guy more. You're getting really. Oh, this way. Wait, I got a slime key. Wait, let me go to the other guy. Let me go to like there's another guy I can go to. Where is it? It's right here. Oh, I found it. Hey! How you doing? Yeah, you're gonna. Oh! There's another key. Got phosphor thingies. Alright, I'm gonna leave. Let me leave now. It's getting late. God, no, I forgot about these. I forgot about them. Go. Oh, I almost fell. Go. They go boom for some reason. I just want to go home. I need to come back. Oh! Run. Quick. Ow! Hey, you up there? Wait, did I just kill him? The tor. Oh yeah, tor. I don't like tor. What's this? It's like a bridge. Wait, that's what she used slime. Oh, that's cool. Look at moss blanket. It's like a whole new area in here.
Welcome to the moss carpet, one of the unlockable areas that you can unlock using slime keys that you get from the big slimes, or the game just calls them Gordos. This area has some of the best slimes in the game. Some of them are the honey slime, and my personal favorite, the puddle slime. So goated, you barely have to do anything.
What's in here? No more cube berries. Is there anybody new, or is it just like people already have? Well, there was like that big boom guy. Boom, but what it... A puddle court. What are you? You look cute. I like you. Puddle slime. Puddle slimes might be my favorite. I think they're my favorite. What's puddle slime? Diets. Oh, you should wait. You put it in water. Live in fresh water pools found in the range. These slimes don't eat fruit, veggies, or meats. Instead, puddle slimes store water to the body where they sit on the surface. Freshwater is 5. I like these. Moss Plain may seem like an ancient jungle of sorts, but the fact is that much of what you see here hasn't even been around. It wasn't even around when I first began exploring this. This rate, I reckon it won't be long till its greenery completely overtakes the far range. That's crazy. Those two, I found these two. Like, they're really cool, but I want more. It's more boom! I can't get over there. What's wrong? What's the new type of chicken? Where's the map thingy? Oh, this place is big. Oh, that's not good. Oh, dodge. Oh, it's a new guy. Oh, he followed. I got so many new guys already. It's more port. What's mint mango? Wait, is mint mango the... Oh, that's their favorite. Yeah, I'm gonna make a honey boon. I'm gonna mix honey and the boon people together. What's this? Wait, I'm back. Oh, I'm back now. Okay. Look cool. I like y'all. They like ball it when you take them out the water. That's cool. I need to start working on y'all now. I need these things to grow. We're gonna get one of these guys in here. Just one of these. It's like a big, mini explosive guy now. Like, because it's too. Ow. Wait, where are the thingies, yo? Wait, I got them. Okay, I have them. Okay. I'm gonna put this over there. Over here. Like, how much does this sell for? 40, oh, 40 and 50, 40, 55. And we got the water thingies. I think just like eat the water. These things make 50. Oh. This gonna be goated. Wait, we can upgrade this? Well, I need the sprinkler to make it grow faster. It's like really expensive though. It's cool. I want to go get more of these guys. Dude, where they place? What should give us some? Yo, we have almost 300. Okay. I think we almost have enough for this now. Yeah, we almost. I should sleep. Like, yeah, I'm gonna sleep so we can like get more things. And then we got mail. I don't care about y'all. All of day 4 and most of day 5 were spent doing chores like gathering the crops, feeding the slimes, and selling the crap they give. Look how much money I have. Yeah, I need to make it with these grow faster now. I can get even more money. What this? Who's this? No. I'm gonna get more people. I'm gonna get more puddle people. I got a map now too. Yeah, so I should go up there. The puddle people are like right there, and then I can get more up there. There's even more stuff up there. There's like so much stuff over there. What? Ow. Oh, there's one right here. I didn't know there was a guy right there. But I can't feed him because I can't get a lot of chickens because these guys keep eating. More puddles. Oh, more. Wait, where's more? I need more. We need to go this way, and then we need to go. We need to follow this. We need to go right. Oh, this is where all the honey people are. There's more mangoes. Hey, the water's right here. I think we only need 2 more, so I think I want to do more exploring, you know. So we just like took the teleporter out last time. There's more, right? If we go this way. We gotta get up there. How do we get up there? Oh, I fell. No, 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 no. Save yourself. I'm dead. I died. No. I lost all the stuff. Also, I had y'all as friends. I had friends for y'all, but like they're all gone now. I saved them, but like still. That's sad. The rest of day 6 was just doing chores since I wasted a day. I think, yeah, because like, there's like cave. I haven't been down there. I have a slime key in case there is a door right there. I mean, if it is a door, I can go into it. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellows up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food, calm them down. Wait, calm them down? What do you mean, calm them down? It's nothing. Oh. I guess they're mad. I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, another key. Indigo Quarry. I was happiest when I was on my lonesome. Places like this old quarry really suited me. Nice and quiet, mostly empty, so I figured the life on the far range would suit me just as well. And well, wouldn't you know it, I come all this way and the first person I see, well, she changed how I saw things. I guess quiet wasn't good anymore. I liked her laugh. Yo, I don't care about your love life, dog. Yeah, I don't. I'm not seeing anybody new. Oh, hi. How you doing? Oh, the map thingy. I need to buy upgrades. That should be what I do with all my money. I need to buy upgrades. Ooh, wait. If I follow this, there's like a cave thing over there. Hold up. How? There's like a little cave area right there. I don't think. Well, I think I have to come right here to get up. And then, yeah. What's in here? It's like another cave. There's crystal people. These are new. Crystal slime. I think that's everything that's in here. I got like 9 of these. Let's go. It's more water people! I got the water things. I got the water specimen. Tell me what I need to get took. It's greatly clear head. Sometimes I cut a puddle of slime blushing, and I can never tell if it was because it was in my bathing suit or not. Okay, that's just like that freaky shit right there. What's over here? Wait, I can't get over there. What's over there? There's a green. There's someone new over there. What? Wow, that's something new there. I can't even go get it. Tell me there's no... crystal is the only thing that I can get right now? Wait, is there... I think there's a way up here. What's in here? Bunch of chickens up here. Alright, well I guess I'm going back then. We got the crystal guys though. That's cool. What are these odd onions for? Oh, they're for the, okay. Well, they're for crystal. Well, good thing I got them, I guess. Don't mind me flipping through here. Is this how I think this is how I get out. Yes, right here. Through here. So great.
Sorry to interrupt the video, y'all, but if you're enjoying my content and you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell. It helps out a ton, and it takes a while for me to edit these types of videos, especially this video. This video took almost over a week to make, so I really appreciate it if you would. Can you comment down what type of video you want me to create next?
Okay, we're rich. Okay. Wait, I could buy it. Wait, do I want to buy this? Of this seed that is likely. Okay. Oh, I do have to get like one of everything. I need to get tabbies. That's what I need to get. Okay. I guess I could put tabbies over here.
In case you're wondering why I said I needed one of every slime, it's because in the lab you can turn the slime ports into points that you can use to craft other things like the bee drones and others. But also it was one of the many side quests I set for myself to collect one of every slime. But anyways, the next few days were just spent doing chores, selling the ports. You should know it by now. It's making money.
Let's see how much money we make. Okay. What's back here? The lab allows you to begin your career as an amateur unlicensed son. 10,000. Alright, we're doing that. We're buying that. We have the jetpack. We can go back to the rock area. And there also was a guy that was like that needed like a bunch of carrots. I can get a bunch of carrots on the way there. So I can feed that rock guy and see what he does. Here for 2 things and 2 things only. First of all, you. Second of all, coming through here. Okay. Oh wait, that's radiation slimes that were like like actually just about to get. Q-berries are so much more important because that's what the phosphor people want, and that gives them. If you have the phosphor thingy, like if you have one of their favorite, it goes for both. Okay, gold plate. Well, I found our guys. But this one gets back here, and then wait, I can come feed these. I can feed this guy right here. Oh, I can't even get up. Oh, he only eats veggies. Oh, okay. Nice. How you doing, bruh? Whoa, he's doing it. Yeah, that's not a key. Yo, where's my key at? Where does this bring me? Where am I? Wait, the house. Wait, is that right? Wait, is the house right there? Oh, this is the place I bought. Oh. Okay. Okay, you can be thrown in there, and then. So you have to like upgrade. I got $8,000. This is like a really good amount of money. Yeah, we're just like upgrade all that. I think I can hold up to 50 items. I can hold up. 40 is still good. Make this right here. Line it up. So I think for the next few days, I think all I'm gonna do is grind up some more quartz and money so I can go unlock the lab. Like the lab is pretty important for us.
Next few days, I mainly spent just grinding, doing chores, getting ports to sell them. But I did end up buying the lab, which was kind of cool.
I finally have enough. We can unlock the lab. Scientific. Let's do a scientific stuff. Okay. Who's this? Oh, we need a drill. We need a pink rock and rat. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not bad. What is this? Oh, this is how you buy more stuff. A drone? Okay. Okay, that's nice. We do have a bunch more things here. So if I'm looking here, let me look here. What's like the main things we're gonna need? So I think we actually have all the ports that we need. Oh my god. Let's go collect like all the ports. Okay. Oh. What if we okay? Oh. Okay. Install this. Install this. Install this. Install this.
If I kept it going at this pace, the video would be like 10 hours long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shorten a bunch of days, give brief explanations, and basically just speed the video along for y'all. The night of day 11 was just making a bunch of farms right outside the lab, which had the Oka Okas and the Minty Mangoes. Days 12 to 13 was just me doing more chores, and I got the resources from the drills. All of day 14 was going to like this woman's like manor or something and dealing with her slimes for her, cause like she's lazy. The slimes she had me working with were called Quicksilver slimes, and they basically, like, similar to the puddle slime, they don't eat normal food. These ate, like, power that I had to get. It's like, I had to race with them to, like, feed them the, like, energy shocks I had in my backpack or something. It's kinda weird.
Around here. Just rad levels you found.
For most of day 15, I decided to go do more with the Quicksilver slimes.
Yep, here they come. Much as I can here. Get into a choke point and just do damage to this. I'm just right here on the edge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the tech right here. This is the tech. Yeah, straps, okay. How much did I collect? 86? That's not that bad. So we're gonna need like ports for when we get in there. You have to do like this like little thing, you have to, like this little challenge to get in. But we should be able, I should be able to do it. I should be able to do a lot of it, a good amount of it. I couldn't have got it. Like I think it's like Tappy and Phosphor. Phosphor, Rock. Alright, there we go. Rad. Honey. Tabby's up there. That means the lava guy's gotta be like somewhere right over here. Oh, here he is. I need to get Tabby and Phosphor. The other one's like right over there. Wow, that's like amazing. Ancient ruins. That's what I need. No, that's not fully grown yet. You two, I need you. Past 7 should be enough. Fascinating, aren't they? Who do you think constructed these ancient ruins, and for what purpose? I'd visit the place and wonder that question often. Only thing I knew for sure, these folks liked slimes. Eventually I came to realize what this place is for and how to utilize it. Will you do the same? Huh. That's like definitely not cryptic at all. Yo, go up. So we need high walls, aeronet, port collector, auto feeder. Gotta have this for a reason. What am I doing? Hey, buddy. How you doing? Give me that. Yeah. Oh, that's more. That's exactly what I was doing.
Day 16, 17, and 18 were mainly just me doing more chores. Should be basic by now. Y'all should all understand that. Sorry I had to end the video short because this video is a lot longer than I thought it would be. So next video we're gonna hit 50 days and then we're gonna do a jump straight to 100. If you like my content, you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell. It's completely free and helps me out a ton. And if you like my content, I'll recommend more of my content to you. As always, have a blessed day.